Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video we're going to open up another Czech Beats exclusive monthly subscription box, and I will put a link for this box down there in the description bar. And before I open this, I just wanted to show you this piece of paper that came in my box. It shows both of their subscriptions in here, so they're calling this their number 1 box, and this is their number 2 box, and there's a website for each box down there on the bottom. And I'm really loving this piece here and this piece, and I'm hoping that's going to be in an upcoming subscription. They're so pretty. So I just wanted to show you that both of these subscriptions are coming from Czech Beats exclusive, which is a bead store, but they have their own subscription boxes at the bead store. Okay, an online bead store. So now we're going to open up the box, and as usual, I'm really excited to see what's inside. There's always something good in here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this one is called Picasso. So that means all the beads I'm thinking are going to be Picasso beads, right? Because why would they just call it Picasso? And I love Picasso. And I love beads that have patterns on them. And that's what the Picasso is all about, is the beautiful patterns. So this box has 25 items. And what I'm going to do is what I usually do. I'm going to go through the box with you guys. And then I'm going to stop the camera, figure out what everything is, which I pretty much already know what a lot of the stuff is, and I'll come back and read you the sizes and what they're calling them and stuff, okay? So, let's see. Oh my gosh. So these are 8mm Czech trucks, and I want to say this color is called Crystal. Even though it's brown, I've seen it called Crystal. And I want to say that I have this in a 6mm, this bead here. But these are gorgeous. I love them. I also have some 2-hole brick beads, and I want to see those are also called Crystal. So this Picasso color here, I think it's called Crystal Picasso. I hope I'm right. It's been a while since I've ordered that color there. Here are some connectors. These are really cool. These could be used so many different ways because of the holes in them. It would be awesome in earrings, and also a wrap bracelet. A necklace connection too. Oh yeah, definitely. Have one on one side, one on the other. Kind of like that butterfly necklace I did. And you can have 3 strands. Here, here, and here. A 3-strand necklace. That would be really cool. And then there is some metal beads. So these are 6mm round metal beads. Those are pretty. And these are some metal spacer beads. These are pretty. I actually just got these. I think it was at Michael's in multiple colors. It was like bronze, antique copper, antique silver, and I think there's gunmetal. They're really pretty. And next is, oh my gosh, yes, I love these. This is red Picasso. They are gorgeous. And those are 8mm. And here are some, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. These are, I want to say that these are 6mm teardrops. The red Picasso. Comparing them to the teardrops I have in my stash, I want to say that these are either, I want to say they're 6 by 9. 6 measured this way, 9 measured that way. I don't know, I'll see when I go to check the list, but those are gorgeous. I love those. I would buy those in a heartbeat. And here is another teardrop. These are smaller. And I've used both of these to make my flowers. Actually, today I'm wearing one of my flower rings, and I want to say that this is the same size teardrop as that blue one I have. Maybe a little bit smaller. But yeah, I love using these in my flowers. These two, I've also used the smaller size in my flowers. And then here is more Picasso. This is called Jet Picasso. It's black, but it's mostly called Jet Picasso. And the Picasso finish really shows up on this bead, so I just want to show you the difference there. They're gorgeous. And then we have, let's see, oh my gosh, these are so nice. These are pricey. I've looked at these in the past on one of my favorite online bead stores, and these were so expensive that I didn't buy them. But they're really neat looking. See how the hole is right there? I do wonder if I could use these in a beaded ring. I like taking beads like this and making rings out of them. Because then the beads go a long way, you know? You can make several of them. Okay, here's another one in the Crystal Picasso. Same kind of bead, just a different color. Really pretty. I really love the turquoise Picasso and the red Picasso. Those are my favorites out of the Picassos. Here is a Picasso Bellflower. These are gorgeous. And these are pricey. I've gotten Picasso flowers before and they were not cheap because of the Picasso color on them. Here is Jet Picasso in a Bellflower. Gorgeous. And here's a Hawaiian Czech flower. Love those. And that's a really nice size. And then here is the Crystal Picasso. And then we have, oh, this bead again. I forgot what this color is called. But it's basically a white bead with the Picasso on it. And then we have these here. Oh, these are Picasso too. These are green. It's a flat oval shaped bead with a Picasso finish. And then we have some more of these. Wow, there's a bunch of these in here. So this one I think is orange. Those are drop dead gorgeous. Man, are those pretty. I love those. So let's see, there's orange, that white color. There's crystal. There's turquoise. That's what I have so far. And here is another one. This is red Picasso, and there's a lot in this bag. I love those. Is it another one? Yeah, this is green Picasso. Green Picasso is also really gorgeous. Wow, this is like the best box that I've gotten so far. And I'm just saying that because I'm a huge fan of Czech Picasso beads. Here is, I'm thinking they're calling this a flower, because I've seen other ones like this. It's a table cut bead. The sides cut off. Those are really pretty. I like those. And then we have, well, these are different. I do not have a Czech bead like this. So this is like a flat bead, and it has the hole going through it on the side. Those are different. I don't have those. Here are some more teardrops, and these are black. And then we have some more Czech flowers. These are really pretty. I like this color. It reminds me of citrine gemstone. And then we have some 3mm full Labrador Czech fire polish beads. That's the color. And let's see, I have one pack left. These are stunning. I actually bought a ton of these a while back because I just love the color so much. I want to say this is Persian turquoise is the color. These are 6mm Czech fire polish beads. I love those. It's my favorite color in the world. So pretty. Okay, so I went through all of that. Wow, this is an awesome box. I have to say that this is my most favorite Czech Beads exclusive box to date because of the Picasso finishes. I love Picasso. If you guys haven't subscribed to the box yet, now is a good time to get this box because this box has some really nice things in it. Okay, so I'm going to go through all of this and I'm going to make my list up and see what they're all called. Alright, so I went through the entire list and I got them all organized, 1 through 25, and here we go. This is rectangle bead, a 12 by 11mm. This is a unique flat oval beads, 20mm by 14mm. Hawaiian flower beads, 12mm. Czech glass teardrop beads, these are 6 by 4mm. This is rectangle beads, 12 by 11mm. Flower bell beads, 4 by 6mm. hot round beads, 8mm. Teardrop beads, these are 7 by 5mm. And these are rectangle beads, 12mm by 11mm. And then we have fire polish beads, these are 3mm. Teardrop beads, 6mm by 4mm. Fire polish beads, 6mm. Rectangle beads, 12 by 11mm. Magnificent Bohemian connector, 15 by 17mm, these here. And then there is rare Bellflower beads, these are 4 by 6mm. And then we have the teardrops, these are 7 by 5mm. And then we have hot rectangular beads, these are 12mm by 11. And then we have teardrop beads, 7mm by 5. And then we have Bohemian charms, but they're actually beads. These are 6mm. And these are unique tablet shaped Czech beads, these are 6mm. These are Czech glass round beads, 8mm. And then we have Hawaiian flower beads, these are 12mm. And then Bohemian charms, which they're actually beads, these are 7 by 3mm, and they have a hole that is 1.5mm. And then there is Bohemian flower beads, these are 10mm. And then we have the rare Czech flat beads, this is 12 by 11mm. So there is a lot of stuff in here again, just like always, and I'm really loving this box because it is the Picasso theme, and I always have loved Picasso beads. So I will leave a link for this box down there in the description bar so you guys can go and check it out if you want. And be on the lookout for a video. I'm going to try to do a tutorial using this box. Sometimes I can't always get to doing a tutorial, but I do try to make a tutorial with the subscription box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos. Like me on Facebook, and don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.